Hello, everybody, and welcome back. It is I, Skeletor, and thank you to my trusty assistant here. We'll be doing another Savage Eternia unboxing. Savage Eternia He-Man. Yes, He-Man, and he has his trusty companion right there. Shall we open him up and have a look? Shall we? He-Man. He-Man and the Masters of the Universe. Oh. 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 Free him from his capture. He will go well with the other Skeletor. Let him out of his entrapment. Cringer, his battle cat companion, made out of rubber. One mighty sword that one can also swift. Oh God! Stop hitting me! Stop hitting me! Yeah. Oh, Skeletor! This is kind of funny. What is that, a camera? Why are they above me? Why are the heads? They scare me. It's okay. He's going to pick me up now. Put me away. And you might as well grab He-Man as well. Why has he got me, Skeletor? He's waving me around. Oh, put me down. Put me down. That's what you get, He-Man. You fool. Alright. There he is. A He-Man with a rotating wrist, moving arms, like he's walking. He can dance as well. He can do the shimmy. Make him shimmy. So it goes in the back. And he can hold his cat in his arms. Battle Cat and He-Man. With hip rotation, hand rotation, arms are flapping, and legs are twisting. He-Man, get yourself back over here for comparison and pet the kitty. Oh, must I, Skeletor? Kind of enjoy myself over here. I don't want to get any closer. I'm over here at once, He-Man. Oh, I guess so. As you can see, you are quite as tall as he is, but not as bulkier. Whoa. Anyway, that will do us for this unboxing episode. Until we meet again.